Are you an entrepreneur and do you wonder if you should start vlogging for your company? There's so many opportunities for video right now. There's YouTube, but also LinkedIn, TikTok, Reels. What should you choose? In this video, I will explain you what the unique opportunity is that video offers you as an entrepreneur and how to take maximum advantage of it without hunting for subscribers day and night. I'm Elisabeth from Top of Mind Video Marketing. In a world full of invisible entrepreneurs, your own smartphone is enough to give yourself a stage right in front of the people you want to reach the most. So subscribe to this channel because I help you make your business visible to your future clients. What do you think? Am I a vlogger or not a real one at all? It depends whom you ask. The word vlogging has got really different meanings for lots of different people. One thing I know for sure, video offers your company lots of opportunities for growth. It doesn't matter if you have a big company, a small company, or if you're just self-employed and don't really feel like an entrepreneur at all. The word vlogging comes from video blogging, like a diary on the internet in a video form. Vloggers can become really big and successful and have millions of subscribers, but vloggers also work really hard and show a lot of their private life. They have to keep up the standard and keep making new great content and keep hunting for more subscribers and more likes. So vlogger burnout is a very common phenomenon. If you want to use video for your business, you might call that business vlogging. How would that look like? Would you then also keep hunting for more subscribers and likes and show your private life, your home and your family? I bet you might not want to do that. Also, there's a different way to use video to make your business grow. And it helps you maintain your privacy and also costs less of an effort. If you want to make videos for your company, all you have to do is make videos about your core business, your products and your clients. Of course you can show where you are if it's any interesting, but that's not the most important thing. You don't have to work really hard to make the videos fun and entertaining too, because all you have to do is make videos that your target group wants to watch and no one else. So only make videos in which you share your expert experience and knowledge. We don't call that business vlogging, we call that content marketing. It sounds a lot better and it's very efficient marketing. And the great thing is, you can put those videos anywhere where your target group is. Whether it's on YouTube, well, isn't everybody really on Google, so YouTube always helps, but also TikTok, LinkedIn, everywhere you can put videos, you can choose to be. So you get to choose how much you want to show of yourself, of your life and of your business. And everybody who's seen you on a video feels like they've met you already. That's something you can never achieve with a written piece and a photo. Video for your business? Definitely a yes. Vlogging for your business? Only if you're looking for a new hobby. Do you want to be a vlogger and keep hunting for subscribers? Or do you want to use video for your business in a better, easier way? Let me know in the comments with this video, and if you want to know how you can record a video using a script, just watch this video.